Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great. So today's video is going to be my version of the very famous clean girl makeup look. As you can see, my skin looks super fresh and dewy, has that nice flush of color going on with very minimal amount of product on my face. So if you're interested in achieving this look right here, then please do keep on watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon right next to it so you don't miss any of my uploads. So the first step before you actually apply makeup has to be skincare. Now this is an unskippable step, because skincare is going to prep your skin for makeup, and it's also going to act as a barrier between your skin and the makeup so that the makeup doesn't seep through into your pores and then cause breakouts. So always prep your skin before literally any makeup look. And for that, I'm going to be using the Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream by The Face Shop. I absolutely love it. It thoroughly moisturizes my skin and it also gives me a slight glow, which I love. And then I'm going to go ahead and also prep my lips with the Vaseline jelly, which needs no introduction really. Now that our skin is prepped and looking super healthy, let's start with the makeup. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm in the shade 155 White Tan. And to blend it all in, I'm gonna be using the Plume Microfibre Velvet Sponge. That's gonna take 1.5 pumps of this foundation. Now this is a very dewy and hydrating foundation, and it makes your skin look very fresh, and it gives like a natural to medium coverage, which is why I only took 1 pump, because that's what we are going for. We want our skin to look as natural as possible and not like give it a full coverage. So I'm just dotting it all over my face. And before I start blending it in, I actually am not going to use any concealer, right? So I was going to add in some extra foundation underneath my eyes as well. So I'm just going to take the K-Beauty Color Correcting Hydrating Primer. This is in the peach shade, I believe. Yes, this is in the peach shade. I'm going to take a little bit of it at the back of my hand, just that much. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of that under my eyes. Okay, now time to start blending. Now that was just one layer of foundation and I'm not going to build it up. Now what I'm going to do is add a little bit of foundation underneath my eyes. Okay, now just adding 2 dots underneath my eyes. A little bit on this and around my mouth. Now making sure I'm using the pointy end of the beauty sponge so that the product doesn't move around and I can concentrate the coverage in that area itself. Okay, so done and done. Now moving on to my brows, I'm going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, which is my absolute favorite brow pencil. So I personally really love to keep my brows natural. I would like to say that I'm blessed with a very good brow shape that doesn't need a lot of work, which is why this pencil is perfect, because it helps you achieve that natural kind of a look. So I'm just gonna brush up my brow hair. And I'm gonna start by outlining the shape. Now I'm just gonna fill it in using a very light hand and very light stroke so that it looks as natural as possible. As you can see, not a whole lot of a difference, but it does look a little bit refined. Now I'm gonna take that spoolie again and I'm just gonna brush the hair upwards, kind of like a feathery brow effect. So the brows are done. Now what I'm gonna do is take the Maybelline New York Fit Me loose powder, just a little bit of that on the tip of my sponge, and just going to press it in where I had applied that extra foundation, like underneath my eyes. just so that it's set and it doesn't crease on me later. Now moving on to my blush and my lips as well. For that I'm going to be using the Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. This one is in the shade Mermaid, I think. It's not written on the packaging. So I'm just gonna apply 3 big dots apparently of this on my cheeks, a little tiny dot on my nose, and then I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. Make sure whenever you use your hands or your fingers to do any part of your makeup that your hands are super clean, because obviously you don't want those germs to get on your face, right? Okay, so now blush is all done. I haven't applied too much, so you don't see like an extra overload of blush, but just the kind of amount that, you know, makes your skin look very flushed and healthy as well. Now, as you can see, this product has got some sort of a shine to it, so I'm not going to use a separate highlighter because this is doing the job honestly, and it looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to take the same product and I am going to apply it on my lips as well. First, I'm going to concentrate the product in the center of my lips, and then I'm going to take whatever's left to the outside. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be using the Warrior Princess Mascara by Flower Beauty. It is a great mascara, I think great for everyday wear. It curls your lashes and it also gives it that wispy sort of a nice length. Ow, don't poke yourself in the eye. Has given me that nice wisp, and I concentrated that mascara towards the end of my eye, so it, you know, elongates, kind of gives that elongated eye effect and adds that wisp. Alright, so the makeup look is done, and I have also tied my hair into a nice sleek ponytail, which is an important part of the clean girl makeup look as well, by the way. Now to sum up this makeup look, I think my skin looks very fresh and dewy, and it has that healthy glow going on, all thanks to the hydrating foundation and also to this blush, which also has a little bit of shine to it, a little bit of sheen to it actually, which is why I didn't apply any highlighter. That same color is also looking great on my lips, and overall the makeup look is very minimalistic. Even with the brows, we went in with very little product and brushed them upwards to give it that fluffy feathery effect. And even the mascara is not like over the top, but it is just the right amount of mascara that is giving me that wispy lash effect and is also opening my eyes a bit. So that's it for today's video and for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you found this helpful and you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.